Ninja Turtle. Got him. If the IQ difference between two people is greater than 15 to 20 points, the less intelligent person often will interpret more intelligent concepts as gibberish because they don't understand. Maybe that's what's happening to Navneet here. We should show him empathy. I appreciate your Christian compassion, Sam. I'm but a poor immigrant whose IQ is 15 to 20 points below yours. Please explain how I might better myself, and I shall defer to your eminent wisdom. Oh, I see. You're an immigrant. Pardon me, maybe it's just a language barrier then. I recommend some English courses. You'll get the hang of it, just takes practice. That's all. Thank you. Might you recommend
Welcome to your first day on the job.
I already have a PhD.
This is your very own autopilot ship, where you will eat and sleep for the duration of your contract. Make yourself at home. To complete the onboarding process, you will want to check the instruction manual and sign into your ship's computer terminal. We trust you will be a great asset to the company. Great asset to the company. Great asset to the company.
Never had a vaccine in my life. Drank out of that every season at least twice a week and still have a higher than average IQ. Same for my two younger siblings. The only reason drinking out of those is dangerous is the same reason you don't want to drink out of a plastic water bottle that's been left in the car. The chemicals in the plastic are released into the water when the bottle or water hose is heated to a high enough temperature. The chemicals can then cause cancer. And as we all know, cancer cannot be prevented by vaccines. Me as a child, I like being the bank at Monopoly so I could cheat. Me as an adult, I like being a VC so I can invest in founders with unfair advantages. Me as a child, mathematically, the best strategy is to buy all the property you land on, but to mortgage everything Orange Plus. Then trade to get monopolies on the Orange properties. And if you do this, you'll always win. Me as VC, same.
Cheese balls! Ooga booga cheese balls! The fact that he used Snapchat to show that island shows how little he knows about geography. What? Did I use meme correctly? I do not know much about these things, but I have read Richard Dawkins' Selfish Gene, where he first introduced the term, and apparently it is now used colloquially to refer to image macros and jokes. I do not understand how lower IQ people function, but it is fascinating. I would like to continue to learn from you people. Now we're good. I was editing my paper on string theory the other night, and my mom told me to stop playing on my laptop. I just stayed quiet and then watched her play Candy Crush and go on Facebook. Confused noises? Physicist who still lives with his mother, LOL. But I'm 16, LMAO. I can't buy my own property yet. Huh. Pick one person in the world to meet aliens. While humor is subjective, this man is diagnosably an idiot. The way he presents himself and speaks just screams moronic stoner dropout. I very much doubt this man-child even completed high school. And this is not a harsh assessment, it is a simple and accurate one. Nothing but nonsensical drivel ever spews from this man's mouth. I very much doubt that he has had a single intelligent thought his entire career. Guy is an outright moron. And so are you, so at least you got something in common with the guy. Don't lie to an overthinker. It never ends well. Such people have trained their brains to look for holes in a story. If crap don't make sense, they'll think about it over and over until it does make sense. I am sure you are, sweetheart. Whatever floats your boat and helps you sleep at night. You're an anonymous account with a crappy username. Don't try coming for me. Also, my opinion does matter. LMAO, you know I was right. Haha, I know it took you a min to spell anonymous. LOL, I'm actually in college with a 4.2 GPA, and I'm almost done my political science major. You probably don't know what it is. Basically, bring up something political, and I know more than you. You got a 4.2 GPA? You got a what? I think I know my problem. I'm too smart. Let me clarify. I'm too intelligent for what I've been doing with myself. Regardless of the job, my intelligence level has been beyond it. I sometimes have to dumb down to give off the impression I'm being taught. It is too confident. It's